Do you rely on Google Ads and Google Analytics?
You added items to your shopping cart and haven't completed your purchase. You can complete it now while they're still available.
Ads measurement and personalization are changing.
You booked a flight to Paris. Check out these other destinations.
March 2024 marks the deadline for businesses to adopt Google's Consent Mode version 2.
Also, I'm pretty sure your sister's having a baby. How about these strollers? Likey?
To avoid any campaign disruptions, you need to adapt. How? Cookiebot has you covered. Cookiebot CMP is the easiest and most automated way to manage your users' consent on your website. It's a Google-certified consent management platform. It integrates seamlessly with Consent Mode version 2, and it's always updated with the latest regulations. And the best part? You can install it with just a few clicks with Google Tag Manager by copying a simple code into your website's header or automatically with a WordPress plugin. The new era of privacy-led marketing is here. Empower your users' choices with Cookiebot.